In this video, we'll see how to adjust weights in a legend. Let's first have a look at a typical legend. We can see the weights go up to 2 digits. We'd like to remove those digits. For this video, we'll copy the legend to the project folder. We'll select Default and the legend we'd like to copy. Once we press Copy, we'll be asked where the legend has to be copied to. We'll select the current project and choose a file number to copy the legend to. Now, we can edit the newly copied legend. With the Info button, we'll edit the value in each field. We can see that the value has 12 characters and 2 digits, which we'll change to 0. Press Escape and save the legend. We can now place the legend again and we'll see the modifications.